Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix a MacBook stuck on a black screen. Alright, let's begin. A black screen can happen for several reasons, and it is a common issue that can often be resolved with basic troubleshooting. The number one reason this happens is simply because your display brightness has been turned all the way down. If you have a MacBook model featuring a touch bar, check to see if it lights up and use the brightness slider to turn it up. For standard models with physical function keys, repeatedly press the brightness up button to see if the screen responds. If adjusting the brightness does not work, the operating system might be frozen, requiring a hardware-level forced restart. To perform a hard reboot, press and hold down the power button or the Touch ID sensor for a full 10 seconds until the system shuts down completely. Wait a few seconds to let the internal components clear, then press the power button normally to restart the laptop. Finally, if the screen remains completely dark, connect your charger and wait a few minutes. A fully depleted battery might prevent the screen from displaying even a low battery indicator, so ensuring a steady power source is essential. So that's basically how you can fix a MacBook stuck on a black screen. That's it for this video. Thanks.